Hi there, I wanted to show you how to use this C++ compiler extension in VS Code. So the one that I actually ended up having installed that actually worked was, what was it called? C++ compile. It was this one, CPP compile. But actually all of them that I installed were working. They just I didn't know how to use them. But basically I'm gonna go with that one for now. And I have it in this drop down item. You can run it up there. You can also do it from down here, I believe. But I'm gonna just run from up here. So basically I'm doing this arrow exercise where this is printing out something to the console. So mainly what I want to show you is that you have to when you run, you have to also, like, it opens the window down here for you to start putting in the inputs, and that's what I didn't realize. I thought this was the end of the command, but really this is like prompting me for an input now. So now is when I can give, here we have C in base digit head digit. So I do the 0, 1, and then it actually finishes and gives me the output. So that's how you can run the C++ compiler and also give it the inputs as well. So I hope that was helpful.